Hello, my dear students of class 4. Welcome to maths class once again. As in my previous online class, you know that I have given you the homework to write the table 2 to 20. And why I gave you, now I will tell you. Okay. So today I am going to start the new chapter number 5, multiples and factors. So the table which I gave you as a homework is for this chapter number 5. Okay, you know that table is very much important in multiplication, in division, and table is very much important for this chapter also, that is multiples and factors. Okay, these multiples and factors are based on table only. If a table is good, you can do this multiples and factors very easily, and it is even a very easy chapter. Okay, so if you have not done the homework, do it. Okay, and learn the table from 2 to 20. Okay, and if you want, you can learn more than that also. Okay, it is very good. So today I am going to start the new chapter number 5, multiples and factors. So now let's start chapter number 5, multiples and factors. So before starting the exercise, let me make you understand about multiples. Okay, and in my next class, when I will start the new exercise, then I will make you understand about the factors. Okay, so these multiples are very easy. Already you know the table, and I gave you the homework to write in copy. So now it will become very easy for you to understand the multiples. Okay, now you see in your book it is given what? Table of 2. They have given this to recall. Okay, now why they have given you? Okay, you might be thinking that already you know the table of 2, no? So still why they have given this? So to make you understand. Now see here. So let's recall this. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. And many more is there. 2 11 ja, 2 12 ja, many more is there. It is endless. So you can see this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. more numbers are there. So what are these? What are these? These are multiples. Okay, these are multiples of what? They are the multiples of 2. This is the table of 2, means these numbers are multiples of 2. Okay, so now let me make you understand that what are multiples. In easy way, you can remember that when a number is multiplied, when a number is multiplied by the counting number means 1 2 3 4 etc. It is endless. Okay, so when a number is multiplied by the counting number, okay, and the number, the product we get, this is the product. No, already I have taught you in the multiplication that when the multiplicand, this is the multiplicand, this is the multiplier, when multiplied, what we get the product. Okay, so the product of a number, this is a number when multiplied by the counting numbers, and what we get is the multiple of the number. So this 2 4 8 6, what are these? These are the multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 2. Okay, these are the multiples of what? These are the multiples of 2. Now let's see the multiples of 3. Okay, now let's see the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? So that means what we have to write? We have to write the table of 3. Okay, so let's write here multiples of 3. 3 1 ja is what? 3. We will just write the product. Okay, then what is there? 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. Okay, many more is there. Many more are there, etc. So many are there. Multiples are endless. Multiples are endless. I have written here directly the multiples. Okay, I have not written here like this. 3 1 ja 3. Okay, just to make you understand, I have shown in your book. Okay, you can directly write the product like 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. Many more are there. Multiples are endless. So what are these? These are the multiples of 3. Now let's write the multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? Let's read the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, and many more are there, etc. Many more are there. So these are what? These are the multiples of what? 4. These were the multiples of 3. These are the multiples of 4. Or simply you can remember the table, okay, and the product which we get are the multiples of that particular number. Okay, so I hope you have understood the multiples. Now let's do this in the book, as this question is given in the book. So let's try this. Okay, so what is given? Write the first 8 multiples of 6. So here we are going to write the first 8 multiples of 6. Okay, we will write up to what? Up to 8. Okay, 6 8 ja, up to that much we will write. Here you can see it is already written 6 1 ja 6. Already one multiple is given of 6, that is 6. Now we will write the other. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. 6 5 ja 30. Okay, 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. 6 7 ja 42. 6 8 ja 48. So this 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. What are these? These are the first 8 multiples of 6. First is written, no, that means you have to write the first 8. Up to 8 is given, that is why first 8. 6, 12, 18, these are, I have written up to 8. So these are the first 8 multiples. These are the first 8 multiples of what? Multiples of 6. Okay. Now after this, let's see the properties of multiples. Then we will move to the exercise. Okay. Okay, properties of multiples. So number 1 property is that every number is a multiple of itself. What it is given? That every number is a multiple of itself. For example, okay, this means that every number is a multiple of itself, means you see here 3 1 ja 3. You can see that the number when multiplied by 1, what we get? Same number. Okay, so this means that every number is a multiple of itself. 3 1 ja 3. So every number is a multiple of itself. Next example I can give you is that 5 1 ja 5. Okay, you have seen here when a number is multiplied by the counting number 1, okay, what we got? We got 5, the same number. So every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. 7 1 ja 7. Okay, so I have given you here few example. Every numbers are multiple of itself. Okay, when any number multiplied by 1, what they give? They give the same number, that is. So I think you have understood that. Okay, that every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, every number, all the numbers are multiple of itself. Now let's see the next property. Property number 2. Every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, every number is a multiple of 1, means that every number comes in the table of 1, no? 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3. So you can see that 3 also come, 2 also come, 1 4 ja 4. So what it says, that every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, all the numbers are multiples of 1. Okay, so for example is that, okay, 1 2 ja 2. Okay, 1 3 ja 3. 1 4 ja 4. So you can see that every number is a multiple of 1. What it is? Every number is a multiple of 1. So, and so many are there, etc. 1 5 ja 5. So every number is a multiple of 1 also. Okay, so now let's see the last property, what it is. The product of 2 or more numbers is a multiple of each of the numbers. Now this one is very easy. Okay, for example, what it is saying, that when the 2 number is multiplied or more number is multiplied. Okay, so here I am multiplying 2 into 3, that means 2 3 ja 6. Okay, 2 3 ja 6. So this 6 is the multiple of what? 2. 6 is the multiple of 2. Now if I will change the order, 3 2 ja 6. Now you can see that 6 has become the multiple of 3 also. Okay, so you have seen that. Okay, what you have seen there? When the 2 number is multiplied here, that is 2 3 ja 6. So 6 is the multiple of 2. So when I have changed the order, it has become 3 into 2. So 6 is also the multiple of 3. Okay. So the product of the two number or more numbers is the multiple of each number. So this is the multiple of each number. No, 6 is the multiple of each number. 6 is even the multiple of 2. 6 is even the multiple of 3. Okay. So I hope you have understood the properties, and I think you have understood the multiples. Okay. Multiple is very easy. You just need to learn the table. Okay, and it will become very easy for you to do the multiples and factors. Okay. So now let's start our exercise 5.1. Okay, now let's start exercise 5.1. Okay, so there are total 10 questions in this exercise. So in my first class I will teach you 5 questions. Okay, and in my next class I will teach you other 5 questions, so that you don't get confused. Okay, as this is the new chapter for you. So let's see what is question number 1. Write the first 5 multiples of. So we are going to write the first 5 multiples of this 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 22 is given. Okay, 6 questions are given. Okay, I'll do the few questions. Few questions you will do as a homework. Okay, so here it is given to write the first 5 multiples. That means we will write the table of 8 up to 5 only. Okay, because they have mentioned first 5. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so what I said, that we have to write the table of 8 up to how much? First 5 means we will write up to 5 only. Okay, so we will write first 5 means 8, we will write 8 1 ja 8. Okay, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40. First 5 only, no, see here, 1 2 3 4 5, done. So multiples of 8 are done. And what are the multiples? First 5 multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So you have seen it is so easy. Just what you have to do, you have to learn the table. Your table should be very strong. Now let's see the multiples of 10, first 5. 10 table is so easy, no? 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30, 10 4 ja 40, 10 5 ja 50. Done. We have done the first 5 multiples of 10. Now let's see the first 5 multiples of 20. 21 ja 20. Okay, just we'll write the product. Just we'll write the multiples. Okay, don't write like that 20 into 1 like that. Okay, don't write. Just you read and you write the product. That is the multiples. 21 ja 20. Then what is there? 22 ja 40. 23 ja 60. 24 ja 80. 25 ja 100. So this 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 are what? These are the multiples of 20, and these are the first 5 multiples of 20. So it was so easy, no? You have seen. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2. Encircle the numbers that are multiples of 7. So we are going to circle those numbers which are the multiples of 7. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to circle those numbers which are multiples of 7. The numbers which are multiples of 7, okay, which comes in the table of 7, we will circle those numbers. So let's start. 71. Does it comes in 7 table? See, 7 10 is 70, 7 11 is 77. Okay, so 71 doesn't come, so we will not circle this. 17 comes in 7 table? No, we will not circle. 35? Yes, 7 5 ja 35. That means 35 is the multiple of 7. So we will circle 35. Okay, now 7 is the multiple of 7. Yes, because 7 1 ja 7. So 7 is the multiple of 7. Now 27 is the multiple of 7. 27 comes in table of 7. No, that means we will not circle this 27. So out of these 5 numbers, these 2 were the multiples of 7. 35 and 7 were the multiples of what? 7. Okay. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3. and circle the numbers that are multiples of 5. So here we are going to circle those numbers which are multiple of 5. Okay, now let's circle those numbers which are multiples of 5. So I will teach you the small technique. Okay, now this for small number you can do easily that whether it comes or not. Now you can see a 3 digit is there, 4 digit is there, and whether it is multiple or not, how to understand. So what you have to do, you have to see the last digit. Okay, what you have to see? Last digit. Okay, and if the last digit are 0 or 5, that means they are the multiple of 5. Okay, now let's start. This is 40. You know that this is multiple of 5. Okay, and you can see that last digit is also what? 0. That means this is multiple of 5, and 5 8 ja 40. So we will circle this. This is the multiple of 5. Okay, now 51 is a multiple of 5. No, and to check whether it is multiple of 5 or not, what I have taught you, that last digit is what? 1. 1 means it is not the multiple of 5. It should be 0 or 5. Okay, now let's see this one. This is 55. Last digit is what? 5. That means this is the multiple of 5. 5 11 ja 55. Okay, now D, this one is 551. Now this is multiple or not? You don't know the table up to so much, no, and there is no end for the tables. So I have taught you the technique. Last digit should be 0 or 5. So you can see last digit is 0 or 5. No, last digit is what? 1. That means this is not the multiple of 5. Now in E, see this is 3. So 3 is not the multiple of what you say. So I have taught you know that 0 5 should be there. So 0 or 5 nothing is there. What is there? 3. That means this is also not the multiple of 5. Okay, this is 5553 is also not the multiple of 5. So to check for whether it is multiple of 5 or not, whether it is divisible by 5 or not, what you have to see, the last digit should be 0 or 5. Okay, if 0 or 5 is there, that means it is the multiple of 5. So 40 and 55 were only the multiples of 5 out of these numbers. Okay, now let's see question number 4. Now question number 4, encircle the numbers that are multiples of 1. So this will be your homework. We have to circle those numbers which are multiples of 1. And I have already taught you in the properties that every number is the multiple of 1. Every number is the multiple of 1. No, 27 is a multiple of 1, 127 is a 27, 38. These all are multiples of 1. That means you have to circle all the numbers. Okay, but this is your homework. Now let's see the last question, question number 5. Encircle the numbers that are not multiples of 3. So here we are going to circle those numbers which are not multiple of 3. Which does not come in the table of 3. We will circle those numbers. Okay. Now let's circle those numbers which are not multiples of 3. Okay. We will circle those numbers no, which are not multiple of 3. 60. 60 is the multiple of 3. Okay, so we will not circle this. We will circle only those which are not multiple. Now 23. 23 does come in table of 3. No, that means this is not the multiple of 3. So we will circle this 23. Okay, now this 36 is the multiple of 3. Yes, this is the multiple of 3. Okay, 3 12 is 36. So we will not circle this. D, okay, 13. 13 is the multiple of 3. 13 comes in the table of 3. No. So we will circle this. Now this 43 is the multiple of 3. No, this is also not the multiple of 3. So what we will do? We will circle this also. In this question was to circle those numbers which are not multiples of 3. So I hope that you have understood this chapter, multiples and factors. Okay, today I have taught you just about multiples and I have taught you 5 questions. So I hope you have understood. So for today up to this much, I said I will teach you just 5 questions. In my next class, I will teach you 5 questions. Okay. So whatever I have shown you today, okay, the questions, what you will do that as a classwork. Okay. And few questions I will give you as a homework. You will do in your copy as homework. Okay. Thank you.